Hey guys, Mark from Nimmer Bros. We got called a few weeks ago from a new poultry farmer. So we're going to be cleaning his barn today and probably finish it off tomorrow, do the disinfecting. So I was going to show you guys this farmer. So I'm going to be flipping this around and here we go. The person itself is a little ways out from our place, but nonetheless, it's a client, and we aim to please our clients. So, if you can see on the side here, all the fans that we have to clean from inside. I'll go in. This barn here is about 250 feet long. It has 3 rows of chicken cages. Conveyor belt brings it up here outside in the grading station. Here's his grading station here. Comes in, nice little desk, nice and clean. Little generator there in case something happens. Grading station. Alright. Last year the inspectors came and told them that the cages that are being used here are still the old-fashioned cages, and they will probably require to be replaced. If you notice here, all the rust that's forming on the cage, because they're old-style cages. See here, all the chickens peck away at this, and they're starting to get some type of metallic poisoning. I'm not quite sure exactly. And the cages are very small. So they only put 5 chickens per cages. So there's several cages all the way down here. The new standards are, I think it's 9 to 12 chickens per cage, but the cage is almost twice the size. So right now what we're gonna have to do is clean underneath here. As you notice, some of these cages are already taken off. So we're gonna be cleaning 250 feet deep and about 20 feet, 25 to 30 feet wide. And that's our regular equipment. So I'm gonna stop talking right now and start working. Sayonara, see you later. Boink. Alright guys, as you can see here, the job's done. Full detail clean. The back sides of the manure belts all the way up front. Everything's been cleaned, scrubbed underneath with the pressure washer under the cages, which is a regular clean that this farmer wants. The floors, usually eggs would fall down here and leave the yolks and the white dry off. So that's what they want cleaned off, because that's what keeps the salmonella in the building. So we scrub that off, shoot in the gutter, and the only thing that's left to do now is disinfect. So I'll be emptying the tub, putting more water, and putting the disinfectant and running it. So here we are. Done.